Hello, welcome to my channel. We're gonna watch today, guys. Daichi Miura Blizzard Daichi Miura Arena Live 2025. Let's see. Interesting music. Ooh. Oh, there's so many person on this concert. Wow. Oh my god. Bro. We're on the Dragon Ball Z or what? Bro. It's the superstar. Bro, it's one of the most popular song. Is it? The same dancers. That is long hair guy. Oh, how stable here. Love. You know, be smile and bring the good energy, love it. Wow. Nice moves. I take that. Wow. Oh my god. Even going to that notes. Not like that. Let's see. Yes. Oh my. Okay. Yeah. Bro, he's normal voice. I don't know. It's so good. Normal song. Not in, I don't know, the high notes, something like that. Bring this voice. What? Love it. Sweet talent. Oh my god. Wow. He's terrible like that. Crazy talent, bro. Is it there? Oi. What's that? Oh, even that sounds wow. Oh my god. Wow. Oh. Oh, wow, really, bro. Yeah. Oh my god. After that spinach singing like that. Wow. Incredible. Daisy, I don't know. Then, wow. That's crazy good. We're still going. Ooh. No. That was sick. Oh my god. Anyway, let's end. If you guys want to know about them, please comment down below, guys, and take care of yourself. Some bye.